Hey guys, we're gonna jump right into this video. I'm doing a quick clean with me. My house has been a total mess and I'm trying to get everything together before I go on vacation next week for Thanksgiving. How did we get to Thanksgiving already? I have no idea. So I've kind of let my house go here. I'm cleaning dishes now, but I'm pretty much gonna clean the living room and I have a ton of laundry to put away. So let's get into it. So this corner kind of became the disaster table, I guess. I've got receipts and cups and I don't even know, body wash, I guess. So I definitely had to tackle this and get this decluttered for sure. So looks a lot better now. Those boxes in the corner will not be staying in the kitchen. I have a small rental home and it was raining, so I need to take those out today. Moving on from the kitchen into the living room. I have a Chow and he is very fluffy. So I realized while I was sweeping, I probably needed to Swiffer first and get his fur off of the floor so that I could sweep up the leaves that he gets into my house. And speaking of, there he is. I am not a bad mom, I promise you. I'm getting ready to wet jet the floors and he knows this is the routine. He looks all pitiful in his little corner, but he really does like being in the crate. Not right now, of course, but he sleeps in it every night. So he's just kind of looking a little forlorn there, but this only took about an hour and a half, so he'll be out of there shortly. Alright, we are at the home stretch. On to laundry. This has been done for a week now, but I have failed to actually put my clothes away. I feel like that is the worst part. I don't mind, putting the clothes in the washer, putting the clothes in the dryer, but then when it's time for them to be done and to fold them and put away, it just feels like you have mountains and mountains and mountains of clothing. And it becomes overwhelming, and then you think, I'll just leave it for next week. But this is what happens. You have a mountain of laundry to still put away. Alright, we've done it. The house is clean and now all that's left is to light a candle. This is Gather from Bath & Body Works. I feel like it's a perfect scent for Thanksgiving. I hope you have an amazing holiday. If you celebrate Thanksgiving with your friends and family, take it easy, take care of yourself, and most of all, spend it with the people that you love the most. I'll see you next time.